Hello and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today we are going to be making our sticky tofu. It's going to be our third part of our Cooking with Chaos little series that we're doing. Definitely going to be interesting because I've never really had tofu outside of like it just being in like a miso soup, so never really messed with it. Some of the definitely the process of that we're going to be you'll see in a second. Definitely kind of interesting, but hey, if it works, it works. So. Okay, I guess we're gonna get started right now. So see you in a sec. All right, so here is our tofu. First instructions are kind of weird. What it basically wants us to do is you get a plate, paper towel, then you put your tofu right on top of it, or at least you're supposed to. Might have to put some more underneath or whatever, but then you put another one on top. Then you put something heavy on top, like a pan. Specifically, I said skillet. And then that's supposed to like wring out the moisture or something. And you're supposed to do that for an hour. I looked it up and that's kind of what you're supposed to do. I just feel it's not going to be enough weight. I'll maybe add some more when I put it in the fridge, but there's not much we can do about it until after the hour passes. So I will see you in an hour. All right, we are back. So I did have to put an extra layer of paper towels down and put like an extra 2 on the bottom part, and it definitely came out a lot. And all you missed was me just cutting this up. And then this is going to be our sauce. I just threw in the soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, pepper flakes, the cornstarch, and then some water. Put that in there, and then this is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to put the tofu in the cornstarch, cover it, and then we're going to be able to put it on here so we can cook it on there. So kind of reminds me a little bit of fried chicken, I guess, but I guess everyone's got to have their equivalent. Nothing wrong with it, but definitely interesting. I think it's fine. So now what we're going to do is heat up a pan to medium-high heat, and then cook it until they're we're going to cook it until it's golden brown, and then we'll do it to low, and then we'll pour the sauce on it to get all. But we might have to do it in a couple batches, but anyway, we'll see that in a second. Okay, we are ready for putting in our tofu. We're going to put this in small batches. I don't know how much we can be able to fit, but we will see. We don't want to overcrowd it because we want to make sure it all gets golden brown. Okay, so it looks like we'll probably have to do 2 pans worth. All right, so they're all in their golden brown state. So now we're going to pour in our sauce. Pour that right over top. All right, so this is about ready. I'm gonna get us a plate, and we're gonna do our taste test. All right, so we are back, and here is our sticky tofu. I will admit, this whole process really reminds me of just making some like orange chicken, but I guess this is more close to sweet and sour pork. So I guess maybe this possibly was invented for a vegetarian alternative. So I guess we will see how it is. Damn, that is really tasty. I don't know, maybe it's just a sauce, but I guess it's very nice and chewy, obviously, because of what it is, but it's definitely amazing. Much more than I expected. I might want to try to do some other stuff with tofu. It's always like one of those weird things that like most people don't really touch, but I actually wouldn't mind this as an alternative to like, I don't know, but not really a meat heavy day or something, but yeah, I definitely would say it's good. So definitely a success. So hope you have a good rest of your day, and hope your sticky tofu turned out good as mine.